Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am here with another cleaning. Yes, my friend dropped off his PC that I had put together for him in the late 2010, early 2011. Yes, this is an old build, but the thing about this here is that this was my first build I did for him, and he appreciated it so much. Now this is on Windows 7. Premium, 2 GB of RAM. It's only socket 775 Pentium 4 motherboard. Yeah, back then the Pentium 4s was doing that thing, one core, 2 threads. But the thing about this build here that he appreciated it so much, and all the thing he did was with this was browse the internet and listen to his old school music. Yeah, we talking about the oldies. Curtis Blow, Gladys Knights and the Pips, the OJs, Bootsy Collins and the Parliaments, the Funkadelic era, all that good stuff. Yes, so this is the thing that he appreciated so much because he was able to listen to his music and he was able to enjoy a build from a friend that I did. Oh my gosh, we're talking about 11 to 10 years ago. So yeah, this build, when I saw this case here, this build here brought back some good old memory. Almost had me tearing up. Yes, back then in the early 2010 era, yes, all the cases were aluminum. It's on the DVD RW. We don't even use them drives no more, and that's one thing I appreciate the technology in our PC world, that we could do so much with our PCs now that we can just enjoy gaming, streaming, editing, production work, doing everything. So that's a good thing about it. So let's get into it. Yeah, old school, very old school. Yeah. Now, as you see, rust. Yeah, back in the days, these aluminum cans, once they sit around for over a year or two, they dust up, they rust, and you got to throw the case away. And it is what it is. Old school build. Not too much to go by, but something that he appreciated, and I asked him, did he want me to put into a new case, which I prefer to go ahead and put all of this in the Zalman T6 ATX tower case. So other than that, everything's gonna be on the pop, and let's go ahead and get on into it. I'm doing my thing here. My one-handed opening. You know how it is. As you know, I'm gonna go ahead and be scrapping the case. But just like I said, I fired up the motherboard, updated the battery, put it on, updated, cleared the CMOS, updated everything, so everything is good and operational. Yes, and it's on the Diabolo Tech 400 watt power supply. As you can see, the little dirtiness on it. Yeah, can't complain about everything. So you know how that is. Yeah, as you see, the CPU cooler is choked up, but I'm gonna go ahead on and clean it. I might be putting the better one into it, but I might just be going with that one. And he's on the GeForce 5500 graphic card. He's on the 150 SATA hard drive. Yeah, you can see the rust damage and everything. This case is done. Yes, and the motherboard is the MSI 848P Neo 2V. Yes, 2 sticks of RAM. It wasn't too much you could do with this board, but only thing you could do with this board was browse the internet, do your thing, call it a day, the basic stuff. So you know how that is. So enough talking. Let's just do this and get on up into cleaning and doing on the phase 2, which is rebuilding the system. All right, let's do this. everybody, that was some good cleaning right there. I am done doing what I have to do now. It's just now time for part two, the bill, and that's coming up soon. So I had fun cleaning this system here. I had no issues with it. You know, just like dust in areas. Basically, the main issue was the CPU cooler because it was all choked up with dust. But the thing, what I'm trying to decide is here, should I go with the Intel stock cooler to cool off the Pentium 4 CPU, which is 105 watts. Yeah, back in them days, them CPUs was hot. Or shall I use the Roswell towel cooler here to cool it off? This is a little more quiet. You know, it has two pipes. Here, this will just have a nice good aluminum base. And I'm trying to, they both feel, this is a little on the light side, so, but this is a little bit on the heavy side. So I'm still trying to decide of which CPU cooler I might be using. And also, with the GTX 5500 graphic card here, I might be using the ATI HD 3450 because it has the HDMI instead of the S video jack port here. So I'm still deciding on should I still go with this or should I go with more of a powerful card with the 3450. Both of them good. Both of them on DirectX 9. Both of them are AGP 8X. Back in the days, you could game off of it. But I know a lot of people throwing all the direct 9X cards. They throwing all the high-end AAA and eSport games at it, and it's crashing because they forgot to know that this was a DirectX 9 card, and only games that plays with DirectX is compatible with this card. I will be putting a link in the description below when I'm done building, doing the final phase of this project here, and I love it. So y'all just go ahead and look out for it, and I'll see y'all soon. Let's do this.